Characteristic of living things. Humans, animals, and plants are parts of living things. The three living things have characteristics with their respective function. There are 8 characteristics of living things. Number 1. Having the ability to move. All living things can move. It's just that only one living thing cannot move freely, namely plants. Plants move in the direction of the sun. This is done because the sun is part of photosynthesis, while humans and animals can move freely with the tools they have. Number 2. Retrieving and using energy. Food and air are basic needs for every living thing. Food itself has a function to produce energy, replace damaged cells, and turn for growth. All living things have different ways of obtaining food, like green plants obtain food by photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the process by which green plants make food from water and carbon dioxide with the help of the sun. Number 3. Responding to stimuli from the environment. Every living thing has a different reaction. When changes occur around it, this reaction proves that living things are sensitive to stimuli, such as like stimulation. The senses that will react are the eyes. When smelling a smell or aroma, the sensory organ that reacts is the nose. How to react in the plants is different from humans. For example, the root tips, which are sensitive to gravity, and the Mimosa pudica, which will close its leaf when touched. Number 4 has the ability to breathe. The process of breathing is taking in oxygen and expelling carbon dioxide. Breathing organs in living things are different. Humans with lungs. Animals breathe according to their habitat. Some with lungs, gill, trachea, and skin. In plants, respiration through stomata. Number 5. Grow and develop. Growth must occur in every living, from small to large. Baby will grow into teenagers, then become adults. In plants, the seeds that are plants will grow roots, then have stems and leaves to become large plant nutrition. In the man, intake for growth and nutrition can be found in foods. Therefore, food is a source of growth in creatures. Number 6. Excretion. Residual substance that exists in the body must be removed because it can interfere with the body's performance. Examples of waste substances are stomata and lenticels, which are parts of plants that function for carbon dioxide and water vapor. Humans excrete urine through the kidneys, while the lungs function excrete carbon dioxide and water vapor. The last is water and mineral salts are excreted through the skin in the form of sweat. Number 7. Having the ability to reproduce. The purpose of living things to reproduce is to preserve their species of offspring. There are 2 types of reproduction of living things. 1. Generative reproduction by destroying egg and sperm cells. Number 2. Vegetative reproduction that occurs without the fusion of egg and sperm cells. Example are budding, division, tubers, and cuttings. Number 8. Adapt. Every living thing must adapt to the environment. For example, camels that store water in their humps, because camels live in hot weather, and water in their humps is to store energy so they can walk. Different from big trees, which will drop their leaves during the dry season. Cold humans will wear jackets or blankets.